This is a CS4080 PAVA CS4080 amplifier. Look, this A side got problem. Clip, A side is clip, B side is okay active, B side is active ready, but A side is clip, signal also running, and A side is clip ready, B side is okay, B side signal, no signal in B side, because I don't put any signal, but A side showing signal inputting and clip ready. For this case, I am going to disconnect the signal input. I am going to disconnect the signal input. This one is the signal input wire. I am disconnecting the signal input. Wait, I am disconnecting signal input. Let's check it's okay or not. No, still it's signal, and look now clip not showing, but still signal. Sometimes clip, again clipping. Look, again clip and signal. This circuit got problem. I have to check the circuit. Now I want to take out the circuit from this amplifier. Please stay with me. I am going to show you what is the problem. First I am going to check the voltage. This body is the ground voltage. This is high voltage. This is amplifier section. This one is the, and this one is the voltage section. Before relay, this 4 transistor are voltage. This 3 transistor and 1 driver. 4 transistor are voltage section, and that side is the amplifier system. Now I am going to check the voltage. High voltage is 104. This one is okay. Low voltage is okay. High voltage 104, base emitter is low voltage. It's okay. This side voltage is okay. Here is the low voltage, negative low voltage, because this side is the negative side. 2SA 1943. Okay, this base emitter is the noise voltage. This side voltage is okay. Amplifier section, collector got small voltage. This, now I'm going to check this side. This is the voltage section. Collector got high voltage. Look, high voltage 94, and emitter and base same low voltage. This one was okay. This one also okay. This side also okay. Emitter base same voltage, around 3. Now I have to check the down side. 2AC5200, the positive section. I am going to check the main voltage from the fuse. Negative 90. This one negative high voltage, positive high voltage, positive high voltage, positive low voltage, negative low voltage. This voltage is okay. This voltage is okay. Now I have to take out this circuit and check another side. I have to check the positive section. Now I am going to disconnecting the plug. I have to take out this voltage wire. It's very hard. I have to use plier. Okay, I'm disconnecting the socket, voltage wire. Okay, now I disconnect ready. I already take out this screw. Now I have to clean this circuit. This is the speaker output line. Speaker output. This is the speaker output. This is the speaker output. Now I am going to clean this circuit first. After then I will repair. This circuit look like fresh. Cleaning the dust. There are some dust. This circuit can make 2000 watt. 4080 is 4K amplifier. Here is two type of voltage, low voltage and high voltage. 4 wire. This circuit also no need the ground voltage. Now I am going to check the circuit. You can see yellow wire is the positive low voltage and red one is the positive high voltage. Positive low voltage is yellow. Yellow is the positive low voltage. Red one is the positive high voltage. Now here we can see green one is the negative low voltage, LV, negative LV, and gray one is the negative high voltage. Be careful about this voltage wire. Please don't mistake. This is negative low voltage, the green one. Negative low voltage, and the gray one is the negative high voltage. Now I am going to check the voltage. The body is the ground voltage. Negative low voltage, negative high voltage. This is the diode. This is the problem. Negative voltage got problem. Everywhere got high voltage. I am using series light. For this case the voltage is little bit lower. Don't worry. Here should be collector should be full voltage, full. This is the base. This is the base, this is the emitter full, everywhere is the full voltage. Need to check this transistor, I am going to check the another side. This is the collector, positive section collector. Look, 112 voltage. Look, base low voltage, emitter low voltage. The voltage will be like that. Voltage will be, look, base, emitter. This is the base emitter. But here collector got full voltage, everywhere got same voltage. No, here will be collector got full voltage, emitter and base will be half voltage, low voltage. Tomorrow I will upload the next part. Thank you for watching the video.